Hey guys, today in this video I am going to be switching Sagittarius A with Ton 618. This is gonna be massive and also very hard. Look at this. Do you guys see that star over there? That's gonna be the size of Ton 618. That's gonna Ton 618 is gonna be big. Yeah, exactly. You can see that from Earth right now. Ton 618 is gonna be bigger. Let me just zoom out. What the? Okay. There's a lot of stars in the same place, but that means I can go to the pistol star, which is known to be the closest star to Sagittarius A. And now Ton 618. I'm honestly scared, y'all. Here we go. Press. Oh, nothing happened. Okay. But I promise you, at the end of this video, you are finna see total destruction, or you're gonna see me have total lag and get logged out. But either way, this thing's gonna be so dang big. Let's turn the brightness up to, oh my goodness. This is already massive as heck. I cannot believe how big this is. Yo, Andromeda, are you seeing this? The galaxy that was smaller than you was bigger than you. And now when the collision happens, you finna get eaten by a Ton 618 instead. Look at this, look at this. Yeah. Okay, maybe that's too bright. Excuse me, why is that so bright now? It's literally white. It was supposed to be blue. Why is it white? Okay, let's turn the brightness down. Galaxy. Okay. Oh my goodness. Yo, this is how Sagittarius A is like, and this is how Ton 618 is like. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yes, sir. Alright. Ton 618. It's time for you to get your mask, bud. Honestly, I'm literally scared to even start this. Ton 618 is like the scariest thing, bro. I do not want to do anything near this dude. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm zooming out. There's no way. Oh my goodness. It's getting this big. Y'all, watch how big this thing can get. It can get like the size of the galaxy big. Look. Brother. Hey, where is it? Where is he? Okay. Zoom out. Let's do it almost as big as. Okay. Time for you to start getting bigger. I'm honestly scared to even do this, man, but the video's not ending yet. Gotta do it. Oh my god, that's a little bit too big. It's the entire galaxy. It's the dang entire galaxy. Brother, I can see you. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Mars collided with Deimos. Mars collided with Phobos. Dang. This black hole is pulling all of that gravity. I'm surprised nothing is crashing other than Mars and his moons. The pistol star is probably already cooked. It's probably already cooked. It's probably cooked before I even launched that 10618 thing. And brother, this is so dang big. I mean, look at this. I can literally see it through the entire galaxy. This is massive, bro. Massive, I mean. Now, what happens if I might try to make it bigger?
Just have to wait. I don't know what's happening. Go ahead, sit back.
No. There's no way. Hold up. I just got logged out. You know what? Bro, if you want to see more videos like this, hit that like button and hit that notification bell if you haven't already. Also, subscribe to my channel if you want me to do a live stream. Super Messiah X is out.